Hello, good morning. How are you? I'm going to move this just a little bit and we are going to open some things that I got. Some things I have lost some of my, oh boy. I lose those openers. I only have one of them and somehow I must have lost it. So we are going to open my April swap. How's everyone doing? Oh, I cannot believe that I have lost that other thing. Oh well. I'm gonna have to buy some of those. I'm gonna have to get a collection like Holly from Dandelion Wishes, right? Yeah, that's a trip. So this swap is the Batik swap and it is fat quarters. So here's my first fat quarter, and this fat quarter comes from Connecticut. Look at these. These are gorgeous. Where are people getting all these gorgeous fabric? All right. And this one here, it comes from Kansas. Oh, look at this. So much to sew, so little time. How adorable is that? That will come over here. And I have this batik. This is what I normally get for batiks. I love though the fun batiks. But this is my usual. That's cool. Thank you. And the next one comes from Washington. And okay, I'm not able to. Ooh. Ooh, 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 look at this. Beautiful. Of course, I have to open it and pet it. Sorry, all. It's beautiful. Gives me like a seaweed, like, I don't know, oceany vibe. This one comes from California. Look at how gorgeous these are. These are really gorgeous. This has got like a rose pattern. And this one comes from Georgia. Wow. Look at these purples. Love purples. Love pinks. Love fuchsia. Love everything. Love color. I just love color. Color makes me happy. Isn't that cool? That is so cool. Very cool. I'm loving it. And my last two for the swap. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? That's gorgeous. Ooh. Wow. Just look at this. Oh, really, really beautiful. That is just divine. These have a different feel to them than these here, and I've been told it's because it's two different processes. I'm not quite sure the whole process of, I mean, I've seen it with wax and someone said seawater. This, it's just like a muddled like lavender. So That's really nice. Okay. Thank you. I have lovely batiks to sew with. So not sure what I'm going to do with it, but I'm collecting batiks right now. So I will figure something out. And I will show you right now. Just love collecting them. But I have one other thing to do before I go, and that is to thank everybody here on my channel for all your support, and I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope that each and every one of you take care of yourself, because you are important to everyone here on this world. Pass it forward. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to my channel. But sharing is caring, and that will help my name go out there. If you have some time, watch some of those ads. That helps me out, because if you watch ads or do something with ads, it does help me quite a bit. YouTube just makes everything better. It's a free way to help me out. I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.